Aloo ki katli. Three to 4 sliced potatoes. Heat pan and add 2 to 3 dried red chilies. Add 1 tsp of fennel seeds or sauce. Add 1 tsp of zira or cumin seeds. Roast them on medium flame. After cooling down, transfer them in a jar and grind coarsely. Coarse masala powder is ready, keep aside. Heat can high and add 2 to 3 tsp of oil. Add 1 tsp of zira. Add 1 tsp of sliced garlic. Add 2 finely chopped onion. Mix and fry for a few minutes. Add 1 tsp of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Mix them. Add sliced potatoes. Mix and cook. Add to chopped tomatoes. Mix and cook tomatoes for a few seconds. Cover lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Give a gentle mix. At this point, add masala powder. Mix masala powder nicely. Add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Potatoes are soft and cooked well. Add 2 slitted green chilies. Add half tsp of garam masala powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Aloo ki katli is done. Turn off flammer. Tasty and delicious aloo ki katli is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.